I'm going to turn this $100 bill from $100 to at least $100,000 in the next 12 months, starting a moving business from scratch. No website, no employees, no nothing. All I can use is this $100 bill to get started with. And I'm going to show you how I'm going to do that right now. Hey movers and shakers, welcome to another great episode. So I thought I would show you and take you on a challenge. It's a 12 months challenge. I'm going to take a $100 bill, right? And I'm going to turn that into $100,000 over the next 12 months. How am I going to do that? I'm going to use my skills, my knowledge, and research on how to start a moving business with nothing other than $100. Now, here are the rules. I can only use $100 to get started, right? That's all I can use. I can only use it to get websites and do all that. Everything else has got to be free. And rule 2, I can only use what I already have. As you can see behind me is a U-Haul truck. I am a neighborhood U-Haul dealership, which means I'm allowed to rent U-Hauls. And because I can rent U-Hauls, I also have access to dollies and pads and all that good stuff. So I can't use anything else other than what I already have. I can only use my knowledge. I can only use my know-how. I can only use $100 to get started to buy things. Right? From that, it's all got to be derived from what I already have of that $100. So this is going to be quite the challenge. I'm starting with no employees, no trucks, no nothing, no website, no nothing. And I'm going to turn that $100 into $100,000 minimally in the next 12 months. And I'm going to take you guys along with me to actually show you how I do it step by step. Why am I doing this? Because I get a lot of people saying, Jay, you can't start a moving company with nothing. You can't do that. It's impossible. Oh, well, you're wrong. And you can do it with nothing, and I'm going to show you how to do it. And you can follow along with me on this challenge. Now, I'm going to do my very best to give you regular updates on this challenge. I'm not going to promise you once a week, every other day, every 2 weeks, nothing like that. I'm going to do it as much as I can, especially at the beginning phases when there's only going to be I'm just going to start pushing that snowball just a little bit before it becomes a big rolling down the hill snowball. So it's going to start slow, and then hopefully it'll crescendo to a very large, massive end result that you and I can all be happy. And at the end of this challenge, if I succeed or I fail, you guys will be there right along with me. I think that's going to be great content. So $100 to $100,000 in the next 12 months, right, is a huge challenge. So be with me, hold me accountable, keep me going on, keep me going strong, because there's going to be some tough times as well as some good times, and you can follow along and I'll show you exactly how I do it step by step. Sound great? Great. All I need you to do is subscribe to this channel. Make sure you tell all the friends that want to start moving companies about this channel. Make sure if you want to be a member of our group, feel free to go to 7figuremovingacademy.co/membership and join our VIP membership, where you'll get more behind the scenes access, and you'll also get advanced screenings of all my videos before everybody else. It is a paid membership, so be aware of that. But if you want to follow along, you want to get the information before everybody else, and it's not on YouTube, make sure you subscribe to the membership. Other than that, you can follow along with me right here on YouTube. Make sure you hit subscribe, give me a like button, hit that bell button right next to the subscribe button. That way you're notified every time I put up a video about this challenge. Okay, guys, hopefully this is going to be great. I'm a little nervous, to be quite honest with you. I've done it twice myself in the past, right? Which I've told my story of many times. So right now I'm under the gun. I'm on YouTube. I've got to perform. I've got a little performance anxiety. I'm going to have to go back and take some Viagra or something. But anyway, guys, I hope you follow along. I hope you like this. Tell me what you would like to see. If you got any questions, leave comments. Let me know. All right, guys, I like you. I love you. Go and do something great today. Bye-bye.